Presidents Roldan Castro, Fernando Guzman, June Bonifacio, Naging Veronica Savio, and Romel Gonzalez.
First of all, we just want to say thank you so much to everyone who came here tonight. And thank you dito sa Star Awards for giving us an award, acknowledging our tandem. And yes, we want to say thank you so much to all our lovers and supporters all the way up there at the top, and yung mga nasa bahay. Thank you guys so much dahil hindi po kayo nagsasawa and never kayo nag-give up sa amin na i-support kami. Thank you guys so much. And syempre sa lahat ng big bosses, Tita Malu, Mr. M, Tita Mario, Ma'am Charo, thank you guys so much for believing in us and always giving us blessings and opportunities, and especially to God, we want to thank Him. Kasi kung wala siya, wala din kami. Thank you guys, we love you.
Yun, gusto ko po salamat kay Kuya Germs. Maraming salamat po talaga. Sa PNPC, sa ABS-CBN, sa Forevermore Family, sa lahat ng fans, maraming salamat. Para sa inyo to, thank you, love you.
Okay. Then, muna ng pagkakataon na bumati, alam niyo naman si Kuya James, isang builder and discoverer. At hindi niyo makakalimutan ang Dutch Entertainment, ang aking anak-anakan, si Sunshine Cruz, para bumati muna.
Good evening, Mr. Jones, CNBC. Okay, yung pangalawang paparangalan natin, ano? Our second power tandem of the year is 2015's television phenomenon and record-breaking partners. The love team of Adam. Thank you so much, guys! Oh, nga pala, award ko.
Mr. Shona, GA7, the best real TV host.
Hindi mo si Opi.